flood warning in effect from this evening to early tomorrow afternoon. What? Moderate flooding is forecast. Where? Sunken Creek at Trenton. When? From this evening to early tomorrow afternoon. Impacts at 6.5 feet at Sunken Park floods. George Page Park floods. Minor Street flooding in Trenton. At 9.0 feet, Mulberry Street begins to flood. At 10.0 feet, Mulberry Street flooding increases. Evacuations possible. Additional details, at 3:15 p.m. Tuesday the stage was 4.0 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 9.5 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 9.4 feet on March 14, 2010. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. The following is